There are many schools where you can't create a new course. And most, you can't create a course for one student. So just the concept on its own is pretty amazing. Well, Adam started with summer physics, and then he went into AP physics and did incredibly well there, and he was a junior. So he talked to me about, could I do an independent study of something to do with physics? He chose mechanics, and then we together chose the book and the syllabus and designed the class.
So essentially what this year is about is studying the physical phenomenon that governs motion that you and I can see. So a ball is thrown, a ball hits another ball, things of that sort. We're really getting into the nitty-gritty of what actually happens when particles on the macro scale interact with one another.
Mechanics is the study of how things move and why things move and describing the two. So in regular physics, we do that with algebra, and then in AP, we introduce calculus. And then mechanics too, what that brings into the situation is slightly more complicated math and doing much more challenging physics problems and describing things much more precisely.
The opportunity to be one-on-one with Mr. Ketchum has really allowed me to pursue the areas or subspecialties of what we're working on that I'm very passionate about, the problem types that really speak to me and that I'm very interested in.
Adam, he has tremendous potential. His work ethic, his ability to comprehend and go further, he's one of those guys you just want to let him loose, and he'll go in places that you can't even imagine.
I think that university school has allowed me to have these opportunities to really delve into what I'm passionate about, and it's really pushed me to become a physicist and a chemist, which is what I do plan on doing in college.
We are recreating an actual collegiate course that's further along in the physics discipline. If there is an equivalent high school course, I haven't found it.
Different from the typical student and teacher dynamic that one has, I think Mr. Ketchum and I are really both trying to work to understand the material, and we're both trying to push the boundaries of what we know.
The course is more of a collaboration than anything. It's us saying, all right, we've done this, what's next?